पहिल्यांदाच नियम बदलण्यात आला होता की एका प्लेअरला पण मिळावा. तर या पुढच्या काळात ध्यानचंद असतील किंवा विश्वनाथन आनंद असेल अशा ग्रेटेस्ट प्लेअरना तुझ्या उंचीपर्यंत पोहोचणार यांनाही हा पुरस्कार मिळावा या दृष्टीने एक मत तू काही मांडू शकतो?
मला वाटतं आता मी जे काय बोलतोय हे ऑब्व्हियसली मत मांडतोय तर हे आय एम शुअर अख्खं जग ऐकतंय. जसं मी आधी बोललो की हे अवॉर्ड मी रिसीव्ह करतोय ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ आपले सगळे भारतवासी आणि मी रिस्पेक्ट करतो आणि ह्या अवॉर्डचा. कारण ना हे अवॉर्ड मिळाल्यानंतर पुढे काय, दिस इज दी अल्टिमेट. आणि जर काय मला बाकीच्या स्पोर्ट्समनबद्दल बोलायचं असेल तर सर्वप्रथम मी हे म्हणेन की मी हे अवॉर्ड सगळ्यांच्या वतीने एक्सेप्ट करतोय. आपल्या देशात भरपूर मोठमोठे स्पोर्ट्समन आणि स्पोर्ट्स वुमेन झालेले आहेत आणि त्यांची सगळ्यांची नावं लहानपणापासून ऐकत आलो आहोत. एक ते कल्चर, त्या कल्चरमध्ये वाढलेलो आहोत. जे काय त्यांची कॉन्ट्रीब्युशन आहे ते कधीच कोण विसरू नाही शकत. आणि माझ्या मते दरवाजा हा उघडलेला आहे असं मी म्हणेन की एका स्पोर्ट्समनला भारतरत्न मिळालेला आहे. आणि ह्याच्या पुढेही मी अशीच प्रार्थना करतो की आपल्या सगळ्या ग्रेट स्पोर्ट्समनना आणि स्पोर्ट्स वुमेनना असंच त्यांचे जे कॉन्ट्रीब्युशन आहे देशासाठी ती अप्रिशिएट केली जाईल. आणि हे अवॉर्ड एक स्पेशल अवॉर्ड आहे आणि स्पेशल माणसांना मिळालं तर आपल्याला फारच आनंद होईल. आणि मी देवाकडे प्रार्थना करतो की है ना सगळ्यांचे जे कॉन्ट्रीब्युशन आहे त्याच्यामध्ये ती अप्रिशिएट होईल.
Sachin, this is Shoaib from CNN IPN. This side. I'm sure this morning when you got up, you said how it panned out this morning. How difficult has been so far in the last few hours to kind of, has it sunk in yet that you will not be playing cricket for the country? That's the first question. Try and give a specific answer. The second question, Sachin, in this marathon career of yours, I'm sure if you could just tell us about the two special moments which will always remain closest to your heart. There'll be a number of them, but please if you could think of two special moments.
I think the first moment I said earlier that when I went on the wicket and I stood between 22 yards, I realized that this is the last time I'm standing in front of a packed stadium, actually being part of the Indian team. This will never happen again. So that I was really emotional and I couldn't control tears. Knowing the fact that I would never have a cricket bat in my hand here playing for India, which was really, really emotional. There have been some wonderful moments and I could sort of think of all those things. It happened very fast, and while my walk back to the dressing room, you guys may have noticed, and I didn't want to be rude, but I could not look up to shake while I was shaking hands with most of the guys, including the West Indian team, because I was in tears and I didn't want anyone to see my face that way. I think it's hard to express what I feel, but in spite of all these things, I know the decision was correct. I know the decision is right.
Sachin, this is hello. Sachin, this is Chairman from Gulf News Dubai. Your sandstorm knock. You said that your mother was in tears after seeing that. So, have you ever playing any knocks come back and your father and mother has appreciated? And how much, when you look back, which is the knock which has given you the most satisfaction in your life?
See, the beauty about my family is they never lost balance. Whether I scored 100 or 15, 20, it didn't matter. I mean, my father and mother, they always had encouraging words for me. I was able to perform well since my school days because the balance was maintained at home. Nobody got carried away with my good performances and celebrated those occasions endlessly. like any other Indian family, we used to buy a packet of sweets and just offer those sweets to the Almighty and thanking the Almighty for everything that is happening in my life. And that process continued. Even yesterday, my mother told me when I spoke to her later on, she said, I've kept sweets in front of God. And that continues and it will never stop. You know, so it's something that I've learned over the years from our parents, and that's what I meant earlier when I spoke. When you grow up, you understand more about life and what your parents have done. And this is one of those things. So their reaction to me when I got back from any talk was never related to the way I performed. It was more about parents and their child, and it has always stayed that way.
Are you happy with your last innings of 74, and what was your mother's reaction on what she was saying?
Well, my mother was extremely happy. Earlier I thought she might come, she may not come because it was a little difficult for her to travel, and was the only reason I requested the BCCI to keep this match in Mumbai. After witnessing the first day itself, she sat for some time, and I was so worried that she may not be able to sit there for long. I had also, for safety, I had also told MCA to keep a room for me over there for my mother, Garwani guest house, which they had done. But my mother preferred being there watching each and every ball which was played. So it is special, and I could yesterday when I went to meet her in the president's box, I could see it in her eyes what it meant, and we are not someone who would just get carried away and respond differently. And it was a very controlled and balanced reaction. But whatever she spoke to me, the more she spoke to me through her eyes, and I could pick that.
My name is Parvez. And I'm from सचिन तेंदुलकर अपने बेटे अर्जुन तेंदुलकर को क्रिकेट की जगत में किस मकाम पर देखना पसंद करेंगे?
देखिए, अर्जुन तेंदुलकर को एज अ फादर कहूँगा कि उसको छोड़ दो, क्रिकेट एंजॉय करने दो। उससे हर बार एक्सपेक्टेशंस बात रखो कि उसके फादर ने इस तरह से परफॉर्म किया है तो अर्जुन ने भी करना चाहिए। अगर उस तरह का प्रेशर मुझ पे भी होता तो मेरे हाथ में शायद पेन होता, क्रिकेट बैट नहीं होती, क्योंकि मेरे फादर प्रोफेसर थे, लिटरेचर फील्ड में थे। मगर कभी उस समय तो आपने ये सवाल नहीं किया मुझे, मेरे फादर को, कि क्या आपका बेटा क्रिकेट की बैट क्यों हाथ में पकड़ रहा है और पेन नहीं है उसके हाथ में। तो मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा कि अर्जुन ने चूज़ किया है कि उसके हाथ में क्रिकेट की बैट होनी चाहिए। वो एक पैशनेट लड़का है क्रिकेट के बाद। क्रिकेट के जो मैं कहता हूँ कि यू हैव टू बी मैडली इन लव विद द स्पोर्ट टू ब्रिंग द बेस्ट आउट ऑफ यू, एंड ही इज मैडली इन लव विद क्रिकेट, एंड दैट इज व्हाट मैटर्स। आई थिंक परफॉर्मेंसेस होना ना होना, मैं नहीं प्रेशर डालना चाहूँगा उसके ऊपर, और आपने भी नहीं डालना चाहिए। आई थिंक कोई भी प्लेयर, उसको आप खुला छोड़ दो तो ही इज एबल टू परफॉर्म बेटर, and he's above all he is able to enjoy cricket, and just that is what I expect, he has to just enjoy cricket. आगे का जो स्क्रिप्ट रहेगा, whatever वो ऊपर वाला डिसाइड करता है, हम कोई नहीं कर सकते।